This is a wicking barrel, and so let's see, that's an eggplant, and I forget what that other plant is. A tomato. Okay, so anyway, this is built out of one, it's just one barrel. The top was cut off, tipped over, and sat on top of the bottom. Holes were drilled into the top, and ropes hang down into the bottom part. And right here is where I put the water in. And I can check my level pretty easily. I think you can see that there's like a dark area, and then it gets light. Well, that's my water level. So anyway, the water is wicked up by the ropes into the soil, and I know this this spinach is looking really sad, but you know it's 100 and I think we had 106 yesterday. Yeah, it's just past the time for leafy greens anymore. But these work really well. They're just so carefree. I mean, come out here, you know, once a week or something and put water in them, and that's about all you have to do. And then of course weeding is real easy, you know, just right there at waist height. And anyway, okay, that's the wicking barrels. So what I did also is, see, there is, I don't know, God, I can't see, but this right here was cut off from the bottom part to make sort of a band, because when you put the top on, you know, you don't want it to slide off. So there's a collar that's screwed on, and that holds the whole thing together. I mean, I could, if I was strong, I could lift that whole top part right up. Okay, that's it.